Mr. James Osei Brown ono nko ana adwene ni we ye ono ne team omo run Kotoko no.
Yeah.
This is what they seek to achieve. First one is a G League na mai. Na fe ko Africa ho ne ho no bia ye nyina ye pese ye ko. Coach no so akire so Africa mabobi pa. No cross wabo 2 CAF Interclub competition finals, the Champions League and the Confederations Cup. You know about final pay. Enti clear. Say as a coach Eric Tinkler, board chairman, an executive chairman, Joe Shop, and an impenifonia, they should work towards winning the league. Tisabre is the Ghana Premier League of the pen. You don't need anything else to try to win it. Now who be some catch it. They have been found. What a mediama position would be after G League back on. Our G League. Now Accra Lions season no more equal relegation. The previous season they were 2 points away from winning the league. The following season they went on relegation. Ghana Premier League in the pen. You don't need Nyoma extra baby. Yana the kana ye ni abre yan hyehyɛ ye say ne sec Ghanaian club no kwa Africa. Obetumi akwa bibi e wo ho. But league ne gye ne de busapanyi. And mpanyimfo mo ye ball kroma obi anim de o ya league no. Enti say Kotoko mpanyimfo must start working towards how they win the league, which is the target for the coach. And busapanyi say coach ne target no. A target for the board.
Yes. A
target for whoever Liz Kotoko as the CEO or general manager for management.
Yeah.
A target for supporters. And the target now board chairman and you communicate about nano. And none of the penny I target for the entire Kotoko family say who your coach are the advice as OGL.
Yeah.
Or no as the executive chairman or any other board members, you know. At the end of season now and send job for supporters. Obi advice as your money league na so moje. Playing body now Kotoko be assemble for next season, no. The other assess you so much league and also money league.
Yes.
Supporters in penny for say Chairman Solo Global Supporters Leadership name circles no bia ye assessment a league na because Papa declare Sana me catch us say when Nebetmenza took over Kotoko, nobody was assessing him with the league because the man communicated say a 5-year development plan
and no retreat.
And what can I say within the 5 years, you know, success may come.
Yeah.
But the target is that after the on the 5th year, Kotoko should win the league.
Yes.
In the course of it, Kotoko Bokaf Interclub competition final. I'm gonna work a ball finals of CAF Interclub competition. And now say no more within the target, and on the 5th year, in fact, they won the league. And when the board chairman communication all the about clear. He did not say in the next 3 years, per se, G League. Or say, who coach no target, and say, G League, ne man. Never go Africa, baby, in a person near Tawachi. As some way, a pregnant. You bet my BM, yet Tawachi, say. Kotoko, a top notch goalkeeper, Anna. Kotoko, goalkeeper, a league, Anna. If they don't, yet Tawachi is over Pebiamano. Right backs. Kotoko Imanu Kweti or Lodamwa our Shaibu. There be what there. We have enough quality. Eti promote to Abu Adams at Nababeka Kweti for the first half of the season because you better do second half of the season. No, na Shaibu ane Lodamwa Wacho. Okay. Left backs, you know, on the Ghanaian scene. Kotoko 3 left backs in Japan. They can fit anywhere. So there's Patrick Asiedu. There is Abrante Francis Aqua and Joseph Amwa and we okay. Yet our China meet you. Yeah. Near our central defense. Akaza Karia Fuseni Musa Hamzata. At the tower Chisa Kwaji League in the say, and ye Baba Shek Ghana Premier League. David Opan for a year contract with Hasselhoff. Ofri Kumasi invest and a concry. David, what experience did you be young? No fun. Ya heard Ghana Premier League nima center backs starts a crown and be on your top no ya hiba akwa beka ya promote to youth team players ni biaba ya tawachi no
nice one
ya middle hono Walid Fuseni Emmanuel Nchi Hubejau Prince Badu Isco Walid Fuseni baako yi Hilary Adabo Solomon Kwakusa youth team player Lawson Chemanu Techi Addison ya no me for any problem the coach after our pre-season 2 weeks 3 weeks so how say me for no everything you need in a midfield be o coach dey say there be me pe a typical dribbler
Okay.
tie ka say there for jo around down the contract wo me die ma o tie asafo ya akra na ofie and you be here there for jo coach the type na boss I need the man wahwe kwa mpoku minta Donzo Dogo wachakiri nyina wa wingers no coach said they be on the wings be okay but in striking position no me per a typical finisher the numbers no in 20 games so me be 14 15 returns ni enko pa bi ma no ana say omo ne ye tawachi na ma kire mu no
Nice one.
abusia
Yes,
say ye tawachi na nta kire yi a kwaji league ni yamfa nko Africa no enye yi but what time na chi gira na chi yi no ko faili wa Africa na ana so faili wa league na eno na otibi gira so ka se da bi maja coach ne kwan enti eno na Raf ma example of